My role is to facilitate appointments requests. So any patients in the Bahamas wishing to come to Cleveland Clinic for medical care, I facilitate that. I make it as easy as possible for them to get that care. If it's a new patient, so we start with registration. So the patient would fill out the registration form, send it back to me with all of their insurance information if they're using insurance. I have 2 coordinators, global patient service coordinators assigned to me. They would then look for these respective appointments for the patient. So the patient doesn't have to do anything, okay, other than fill out the form, get me all the information that I need, which would be any medical records pertinent to the appointment that they're requesting, and then we go from there. We find the appointments, we book the appointments, we send the patient everything they need from that point on. So confirmed appointments, hotel information, insurance information, billing information. So we just make it easy for them. A lot of times, if a patient is referred by their primary care physician or any specialist for a service that we could not offer them in the Bahamas, they would then go back home and then continue care there. But if they need to follow up, then I do that as well. When they have to come back to Florida, we make the additional appointments and go from there. I always start with our North Star, right? Patients first, right? So empathy is something that you find at the Cleveland Clinic. We could always relate. It's a one-stop shop, right? You get everything that you need under one roof. Inter-department referrals, if you need to be referred to another department, it's there. And everything is based on you, the patient, right? So it's tailored. So I think that's the number one reason. It's tailored to you, specifically to you and your needs. It's rewarding, and I hear back from almost every patient, especially the ones who were dealing with something that they were dealing with for years. And then all of a sudden they showed up, and hey, this was causing this. So that is definitely rewarding.